Next guest has his finger on the pulse of the Wall Street Bets discussion boards and forums, the place where this whole craze kind of began back in late 2020, early 2021. Let's bring in James Kardatzke, CEO of Quiver Quantitative. James, we bring you on here because you're an expert in dissecting the data that shows where people's interests lie. So what is that data telling you? Are we seeing a true resurgence? Could this become 2021, or are we still in the early innings?
Yeah, I mean, I think, to be honest, we're already starting to see a lot of the same patterns we saw at the start of 2021, with retail investors really piling into a number of highly shorted stocks. The discussion activity has really started to see a resurgence, whereas over the last year or so, it had been on a pretty steady decline since, the meme craze back in February of 2021. It's really starting to pick back up, specifically around Bed Bath & Beyond in particular over the last couple of days.
So this is also very much about kind of the magnetic kind of personality, so to speak, of some of these stocks. As you mentioned, a lot more attention being paid to certain names. What are the discussion boards? What is the data showing in terms of whether or not there are other possible future meme stocks that are outside those OG names like GameStop, AMC, and Bed Bath & Beyond?
Yeah, to be honest, one of the things that I think has been really fascinating for me personally over the last year is that there's really been, I think, a really strong community built around some of these names, where what you'll find is that people aren't just, actively involved in the stock market or really passionate about the stock market. They're really passionate about a specific ticker, a specific company, where, there's been communities formed around GameStop, around AMC, where it's literally the only stock that these people care about. For a lot of them, they're, all in on a specific company. And that's really, been reflected, I think, in some of the trends we've seen among the discussion on Wall Street Bets and some of these other forums, where a lot of the discussion right now is like in the same stocks that people were talking about back in 2021. Like, obviously, GameStop was huge back then. AMC was huge back then. But even a company like Bed Bath & Beyond was one of the ones that received a lot of discussion, this time a year ago. So I think what's been really interesting is that it's not so much where every week there's a new meme stock or a new company people are talking about, but really there's like really strong communities coalescing around the same sort of names. And that's, I think, what we've been seeing lately as well.
All right. James Kardatzke at Quiver Quantitative, thank you very much. We appreciate it.